Guys, I don't know if you heard of this, but this is actually a really big news. So if you're someone who is working in corporate, kaya naman BPO ka, stay ka dito kasi baka makatulong to sa career mo. Guys, recently nag-release ng statement yung Microsoft CEO na AI chief na si Mustafa Suleyman. And yung statement niya is in the next 12 to 18 months, magkakaroon na ng fully automation yung AI na kayang outperform yung normal task, normal human task, or kaya naman yung professional task. Na kung isipin nyo, delikadong position ngayon yung mga BPO workers natin. And ang nangyayari ngayon, pwede nyo i-research yan, i-google nyo. Marami mga BPO companies ngayon ang nagtatanggal na ng mga tao. Big ones. Thousands of people ang natatanggal dahil sa mga AIs ngayon. Nagkakaroon na sila ng focus more on sa agentic AI. Try nyo i-research yun. Kasi kayang-kaya na palitan ng AI yung mga normal tasks na yon. Now, bakit ko sinabing delikado yon? Kasi maraming taong natatanggalan at matatanggal sa work. Pangalawa naman, alarming siya kasi magkakaroon ng malaking shift sa market. Now, may mga pros, may mga cons to. Sinabi ko na sa inyo yung cons. At sigurado ako may mga tao ngayong tinatamaan. Comment kayo dito if may kakilala kayo na dahan-dahan na nagle-lay off sa company nila. Yun yung pinaka main reason. Yun yung cons ngayon. Yung pros naman dito, if ikaw yung taong marunong gumamit ng AI, definitely magkakaroon ka ng edge. Kasi magiging operator ka, like AI operator. Alam mo kung paano mo gamitin yung AI. Now, sa case ko naman as a sales professional, remote sales educator, malaking opportunity to sa atin. Kasi may isang bagay ang hindi kayang i-perform yung AI, which is selling. Dadating sa point na kapag fully automated na lahat, kahit yung mga pipeline, sales pipeline, tsaka sales process, may isang part doon na hindi kayang palitan ng AI, which is human intervention or human interaction. Always remember guys, na yung sales, it's actually a human connection na process. The only way para makabenta ka is kailangan mong kumausap ng tao. At kapag alam mo kumausap, alam mo mag-communicate like the human way, definitely maging magaling ka. So, ang magiging, like my prediction, ang magiging demand soon sa mga tao is, sa mga companies is yung mga tao na marunong magbenta. Specifically remote sales, digital at saka sales. Now, another thing na magkakaroon ng demand ngayon ay yung mga coaches or mga educator na human, hindi sila AI driven. Sawang-sawa na yung mga tao ngayon guys sa mga AI contents. Nauumay na yung mga tao. Madaling maumay yung mga tao ngayon. And I believe na lahat ng mga human, like raw, tao na nagko-contents like this, magkakaroon siya ng demand. So, if content creator ka, you need to know this kasi magkakaroon ng malaking market shift. Second naman, if ikaw naman yung tao na matatamaan dito sa news na to, definitely you should start considering to learn how to do freelancing. Pwede kang mag-focus aralin mo kung paano nag-ooperate yung AI, or pwede kang maghanap ng skill na related sa sales, which is yung tinuturo ko dito for free. Now, sobrang nag-aalala ako kasi maraming mga taong matatamaan dito, at kung i-check nyo sa Google guys, sobrang dami na ngayon nalilay off. Dahan-dahan, libo na libo. Hindi na ako mag-name drop ng company. Ang dami nila guys, and it's now starting really fast. Hindi biro yung 12 to 18 months na sinabi ni Mustafa Suleyman guys. Napakabilis nun. That's just a year or two from now. So, anong point ko dito sa video na to guys? You need to act fast. You need to find a solution or kaya naman a cover up or kaya naman a second plan or plan B para makaalis ka dito. Kasi kapag tinamaan ka at yung career mo matatamaan dito, nasa delikadong position ka. So if you were to ask me, alamin mo, mag-research ka or maghanap ka ng communities that teaches AI operating ng mga modules or kaya naman learn how to sell. That's the only way. Kasi if dadating yung point na puro robot na lahat, ang i-crave ng tao guys, tao. And the art of communication definitely is sales. So, if you think na kinakabahan ka or you think na okay, itatry ko to para matuto ako, guys, nag-launch ako ng free community that teaches sales, remote sales to be specific. It's a work from home freelancing skill, work from home na sales. And lahat na ng alam ko guys, tinuro ko doon. Wala akong gine-gatekeep. So from you, learning how freelancing works, to knowing sales fundamentals, to knowing how remote sales works, and all the specialization na skills doon, tinuro ko na lahat doon until landing your first client. Lahat ng modules, lahat ng worksheets. I also provide weekly Q&A calls para matulungan ko kayo. And napakadami pa guys. May sarili tayong logins, active community, everything that you need to fast track yung yung learning process mo. It's already there. So if you think this is for you or this is for someone that you know na kailangan to, tag nyo sila dito, or kaya naman if this is for you, share mo, and my invitation is just click the link above or below sa bio ko, or kaya naman dito sa comment section, or just search jointheparliament.com. Guys, hindi cap yung mga sinasabi ko. This is a factual news. Pwede nyo i-search sa Google and it's already happening. You need to act fast before it's too late. Tinatamaan na tayong third world country guys. So, before I end this video, I'm gonna ask you, what are you gonna do about this? So, takits, and I hope nakatulong tong video na to. Follow me for more. Peace.